And why were you selling drugs?
Because I needed money, and I believe I had a job working at a warehouse, and I went from making like $6,000 a week to maybe 300-400. So that was not. I was so used to like living with $3,000 or $4,000 for my rent, for everything. So I started like panicking. Like, oh, dude, I need money, you know. So that's when I thought I was Billy Badass, and I wasn't.
Oh yeah. So walk me through this. So you are working.
Yes, ma'am.
So how do you reach out to somebody saying, hey, I want to sell some drugs for you?
So I was kind of in the ghetto, the West Side, and it's not hard at all. Like you literally just go right there. Tell someone, look, hey, dude, what do you want? You have everything there. So of course I initiated. I'm like, hey, I need some money. Like, what can I do? And then yeah, that's how it. Like, okay, you want to work? Well, here we go. And literally, like the second time, that's when the officers like, oh yeah, by the way, I'm an officer. Like shit.
Okay. All right. Any other questions?
No.
Any other witnesses?
No, Your Honor.
All right, court will hear argument.
Judge, the state's going to argue here that I think he should at least get the 10-year minimum. These are a lot of drug cases that are all coming in very rapid succession. He also has a very extensive criminal history. The state asked what's changed between now and then, and there really wasn't an answer that was given. There was no details as to what he's done, other than being under court supervision, where he knows if he tests positive for drugs, that's something that can get him in trouble. If he does anything out of line or commits another offense, that's something that's just going to make it worse for him. So again, it's something that we haven't really had any details of what exactly has changed. So the state would ask for 10 years in the prison.
All right.
Judge, his entire criminal history was known to the state when this court placed him on probation. Nothing negative has occurred. Everything positive has occurred. This is a successful probationer. This is someone who has changed his life around. I don't understand the logic. What has changed? This man has changed. The man before you, Exhibit A, has changed. His entire criminal history is spelled out very clearly when the same state of Texas recommended probation,
or at least silent,
or remain silent. And no objection at that time was offered by the state when this court granted him probation. Judge, this court, has helped him, as he said in here. Why do you want to be on probation? And he said, because it'll be my mentor. And you, whether you have agreed to or not, have been his mentor. You, whether you knew it or not, have had a very positive impact on this man's life. And Judge, I can't underestimate the strength of the statement. He has not stepped across the legal line in 3 years.